In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate Google Docs documents. By the end, you'll know the built-in way to create a translated copy of any document right inside Google Docs without add-ons or external tools. First, open Google Drive and launch the document you want to translate in Google Docs. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so the translated copy can be saved to your drive. If the file is shared with you as view only, that's okay. Google Docs will still create a new copy in your own drive. Just confirm you can open the document fully in the editor. With the document open, look at the top menu bar and click Tools. In the drop-down, choose Translate Document. This feature tells Google Docs to generate a new file that contains a machine-translated version of your original. If you don't see tools, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so the full menu appears. A dialog box will appear asking you to pick a language for your translation. You'll also see a field to name the new document. Renaming the file is helpful, especially if you plan to translate the same original into multiple languages. Add a language tag to keep versions organized. Next, open the drop-down and select the language you need. The list is extensive, and you can scroll or type to search. Choose carefully, especially for variants like Portuguese or Chinese, to make sure you're getting the right regional form. When you confirm, Google Docs creates a new document and opens it in a separate tab. Your original stays exactly as it was, and the translated copy is saved in your drive, typically in the same folder, and it will also show up in your recent files. Most formatting, such as headings and basic layout, usually carries over, though certain elements, like images with text, drawings, equations, and some complex tables, may not translate. Comments and suggestions from the original aren't translated either, since this is a fresh document. Before you share or finalize the translated version, give it a quick review. Machine translation is great for speed, but idioms, technical terms, brand names, and proper nouns sometimes need a human touch. For right-to-left languages, Google Docs adjusts text direction automatically, but it's still a good idea to check alignment and spacing. Also note that this feature requires an internet connection since the translation happens in the cloud. That's all there is to it. Open your doc, choose Tools, select Translate Document, pick a language and name, and let Google Docs generate the translated copy for you.